Chicken schnitzel mit pommes naman tayo ngayon, guys. Uy, it's German word pommes. Yung pommes sa German, guys, it's fries. So, ayan, guys, nagluto ako niyan. Kasi para maiba naman, German food naman. So, ayun, gumawa ako ng fries from scratch. Medyo matrabaho siya, pero worth it. Kasi masarap talaga pag ikaw mismo yung gumawa ng fries. So, ito na yung chicken breast, guys. Hinati ko na, tapos hinammer ko na din. Tapos habang yung fries ginagawa ko, pinakuluan ko pala yung fries, guys, ng 5 minutes. Actually, hindi perfect yung fries kasi yung iba, naputol siya kasi na-overcook ko ata yung aking potato. Pero masarap naman siya. So, ayun, guys, yung aking ingredients sa aking schnitzel ay yung breadcrumbs, tapos yung pinagsama ko yung flour, tapos crispy fry, tsaka yung cornstarch. So, yung aking fries pala, guys, ay dinoble fry ko yan. Kaya, naging crispy naman siya. Worth it yung pagod, guys. Actually, matrabaho siya. Ayan na, guys. Thank you for always watching our vlogs. Don't forget to follow and share, guys.